Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, January 23rd, 2019. The markets are going down, and there are all kind of stuff going on the market. Yesterday, we didn't know really why the market was going down, but it was supposed to be because someone said that a meeting in between the administration of China and USA has been canceled. So the market was going down yesterday because of that. And at the end of the day, someone from the White House said, no, there has never been a meeting planned in between those guys other than the one with the minister later. And he said it's a false information. So the market kept going up this morning, and after that it changed direction again. We still don't know why. So right now the situation is bearish. So you gotta be very careful in buying long stuff. As you see, we had some rebound after 12 o'clock, and it's returning, changing direction again right now. So the movement is not bullish at all. So when you look at the index there, look, the Nasdaq market was bouncing back, but now still put pressure on the downside. And same thing on the Dow, on the SPY, and on the TSX as well. So there is absolutely no bullish sector at all on the market, neither whatever market is. So, and the situation is still totally neutral with some pressure on the downside. So before buying long stuff, new stuff, I'd really consider you watching the position that you have right now, because there are quite a bit of stocks that are threatened by the bearish situation, of possible bearish situation of the market. You see, because we are at the previous resistance right there. So the possibility to go further down is really there. So so look at the sector. So only the gold went back up, and as the opposite direction of every other sector. So finally, even though some sector shows an increase, there's nothing interesting. There is no bullish situation at all. Let's go through the whole thing. You know, see, the energy sector is very sideways because USO is sideways, and USO still put pressure on its support here. We're not very far away from breaking it, despite all the attempt to reduce the production. It doesn't seem to work, and so the gas is continuing down, and the stocks are continuing down for the second day. We had about 10 breakdown yesterday on Toronto, and we have about 8-10 today again. So the situation is bearish. So you don't buy anything long in there. And the gold went down this morning, never broke the support, and then started going back up. And now it's the stock that looks better. But if you have to choose between, if you want to buy positions in the gold, as we see a reversal on the gold index, so wait for a little higher price here on TTGD, and after that, I mean, choose those that were strongest at the beginning, like Centera. Alacer is a bit too far away. You have Kirkland, you have Torex, which are, and Detour Gold, of course, also, so which are a better prospect. And avoid the mining also, because the signal, the bounce back that we had this morning, it did not hold. So First Quantum had never been a breakout this morning yet, and it still could be a breakdown. Pressure is on the support for tech, and also London, and also Hudbay. So, and consumer discretionary took off this morning, but didn't go far enough, and the signals are not credible. In the telecom, it's totally sideways. There won't be any buy unless the all makes a new high. And the financial service were ready for a breakout, but it never happened because now it's testing the support. So wait until you do anything there, because if it goes this way, it's going to be the wrong way. So far, it's neutral. Same thing on the industrials. It's at the crossing of the road, because that's where the upper downtrend is sitting, and the support as well. So no buy until you get there. Okay, I'm playing the question bar. I forgot to open it. So and so you see the situation. Most of the stocks are totally sideways. CP, CNR, Bombardier puts pressure on its support, and you have Chappelle and Finning. You know, so there's no bullish stock at all. They're all sideways. So we really gotta wait until we see the market showing us the direction. Real estate is flat. The utilities are flat. The healthcares are flat. So many stock rose in the cannabis this morning again, making an attempt like Canopy is going to be a buy signal only past $60, and right now it's coming down. So and many stocks like Aphria got again an hostile takeover this morning. Now the same company called Green Growth Brands has offered on a hostile takeover $9.40, and the stock is right now about $9.20. So they offer about 20 cents less, but this morning this was worth $9.60, and they said that the shareholders has until May 9 to decide if they are going to sign off their shares. But why? It's not interesting. The board is not in favor of that, and the offer is not very nice. So why would they do that? Okay, and I bet if the stock plunges to 7 or 6, they won't offer anymore $9.40. You know, so that's a I know there's a name I would like to use, but I'd say that's not a good offer anyway. So ACB now is putting pressure also on and most of the stock that went up this morning just came right back. Only one is doing a good nice stuff right now. It's a new age beverage that broke out about 12:45 at 6:25. It's 6:40 on the move up right now. So but for the rest, forget it. And it's not even a very very big movement on the where is it? Here, NBEV, you know, it's just a pullback there. So nice in day trading. There might be a little thing to do on that in the next hour or so, but this is it. There's not much about that. Hey, we got someone in the that won't be stuck in the snow because the question is coming from Snowmobile. TLC.A. Oh, I haven't done snowmobile for a little while, and that was another of my big passion when I was young because I've been raised in that. I've used the very first snowmobiles when they came in, and after that also too. And now, right now they're such nice machines. So TLC.A. TCL.A. TCL.A. Hey, I have the big fingers. TCL.A. Transcon. I don't have a position on the stock, so don't buy anyone. Don't buy any. Consider it whenever it breaks. 21.78, 21.75 would be the price, you know, and the reversal as well of the downtrend, because we had a lower support and the stock came back within its previous support, and on the breakout here, I think it could be good for a little ride. RHT, Relic Health. You don't have a position, forget about it then. It's no time to do that. If I look at a 15 minutes, you see this downtrend here. Very hard to see, but it is a neutral movement here. That's what we see here, okay? So next price that you could buy it would be 35, 36, not even before. But, you know, I'd like to see some volume on it. The last phase hasn't been... Okay, there was some money to do with it, 33 to 53. But, you know, don't be too early on it. I'd say the best price would be even 40. And DGC to buy. Okay, Detour Gold, DGC. Detour Gold, I think among the gold stock, it's one of the best. It's not quite there yet, but it's not very far. As you see, as soon as the stock did catch its resistance, it started coming back up. So if you want to buy it, wait until it passes 12.45, 12.48, something like that. Okay, Snowmobile, I did answer your question about RH. Oh, it's not the same. Oh, okay, it's RCH. It's the same stuff. I just answered this question. So where are we sitting our market right now? Okay, so you see the rebound did not last very long. So the answer is, you know, and this is quite yesterday's bottom as well. So the big decisions will come very soon here. So the very short-term positive movement will be in the bullseye here, 160, 161, and the bear eye is right here, 160, 60. Yeah, that's funny, eh? Both number fits like that. And same thing on the Dow, quite here past at 24,475, and it's going to be bearish again if it breaks down. And so the whole index are on the same. So it's possible that we see some more pullback during the afternoon, but just check the actual movement. But in swing trading, there is no rush at all. You know, all of the sectors are neutral. No one is breaking out. No one is breaking down. Oh yes, the energy sector is following a bearish cycle, but we really have to have a little bit more patience for not buying at the wrong moment. The only one that could be doing something very soon is the gold sector. So we go for a break, or are we on the show? Okay, that's the end of the show. Thank you very much for attending. We'll see you later.